You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this beautiful Italian word. If you want to learn more vocabulary and very useful Italian words, even though those that are used in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This means a dream. It's pronounced sogno, alright? So GN is pronounced gn, as in gnocchi, you know, gn. So it's not sogno, rather sogno. Sogno is a dream. How to say a dream in Italian? Un sogno. Un sogno. I had a dream. Un sogno. Ce l'avevo un sogno. Ho fatto un sogno. Sogno is the Italian pronunciation here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.